For a week, Raymond is paid at the rate of X dollars per hour for the first 40 hours he works, and Y dollars per hour for the hours worked in excess of 40 hours. What is the value of Y? So here we have a straightforward algebraic translation problem. So how can we translate the information from our prompt into an equation? So we were talking about Raymond's salary for the week, and that is equal to, so he gets X dollars per hour for the first 40 hours. That would be 40X dollars. Then after that, he gets Y dollars per hour for everything in excess of 40 hours. So that would mean if he works 50 hours, he would have 10 hours in excess. And if he works 60 hours, he has 20 hours in excess. So it's our total hours minus 40 is our excess. And this is our equation here. And we are looking for Y. So statement 1 says, if Raymond works 46 hours in 1 week, he will earn $416.50. So what can we plug in to our equation here? So we know his salary for the week is $416.50. So if he works 46 hours for the week, he gets 40x. So still, this is always the same, assuming he works at least 40 hours. We don't know what x is, though. X is his hourly rate for those first 40 hours, but we don't know the value of it. Then he works 6 hours in excess. This is the equation we get here, and really can't do anything. We can factor out a 2 here, but we have 2 variables. We're not going to be able to solve for them, therefore we cannot get Y. Insufficient. Raymond's hourly rate for the hours worked in excess of 40 hours per week is 1.5 times his hourly rate for the first 40 hours. So let's just translate this word by word. So Raymond's hourly rate for the hours worked in excess of 40 hours per week. So we're talking about his hourly rate for the excess. So that is Y. And Y is, meaning Y that is equal to 1.5 times his hourly rate for the first 40 hours. So that is X. So this is just saying Y is equal to 1.5X. So if we plug this into our equation, we get our salary for the week. And then we can get, if we want to put solving for Y, so if we want to put everything in terms of Y, we want to get X in terms of Y. So it would be 40 times. So X is equal to Y over 1.5. Times Y. And so here, we're still not going to be able to solve for Y. So we don't know how many total hours he worked. We don't know what his salary was for the week. So this is going to be insufficient now together. So we can forget about this because we have this equation here from statement 1. And now it looks like I should be able to solve for Y, because I can just, if I can solve for X, I can definitely solve for Y. And so if I just plug in 1.5X for Y here, for 1650, give myself some more room. For 1650 is equal to 40X plus 6 times 1.5X. And I don't need to solve this because it's data sufficiency, but I can definitely find X. And once I get X, I can just plug it in to get Y. So this should be sufficient. C is the answer.